Propagating milkweed from cuttings is an excellent way to expand your milkweed population and support the vital habitat of monarch butterflies. With a little knowledge and patience, you can successfully propagate milkweed plants using cuttings. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the process, step by step, to ensure your success in propagating milkweed from cuttings. Choosing the right time and materials. Understanding the best time to take cuttings from milkweed plants. Identifying the suitable equipment and materials needed for successful propagation. Selecting and preparing healthy parent plants. Identifying healthy milkweed plants suitable for taking cuttings. Properly preparing the parent plants for cutting propagation. Taking and preparing the cuttings. Understanding the different types of cuttings for milkweed propagation. Step-by-step instructions on taking cuttings, including proper size and location. Rooting the cuttings. Preparing the rooting medium for the cuttings. Techniques for optimal rooting, including hormone application if desired. Appropriate environmental conditions for successful rooting. Caring for the newly rooted cuttings. Proper watering and humidity requirements for the cuttings. Strategies to ensure the cuttings receive adequate light without scorching. Tips for preventing pests and diseases during the rooting phase. Transplanting the rooted cuttings. Identifying the appropriate time for transplanting the rooted cuttings. Selecting the right potting mix and containers for transplanting. Best practices for acclimatizing the new plants to their final growing location. Nurturing and growing established milkweed plants. Providing ongoing care for the transplanted milkweed plants. Watering, fertilizing, and maintaining the health of the propagated milkweed. Supporting monarch butterflies. Understanding the importance of milkweed as a host plant for monarch butterflies. Creating a butterfly-friendly environment to attract and support monarch populations. By following this detailed guide on propagating milkweed from cuttings, you can not only expand your milkweed population but also contribute to the conservation efforts for monarch butterflies. With the right techniques and care, you'll soon be rewarded with flourishing milkweed plants that serve as vital habitats for these magnificent pollinators.